All right, guys, we're going to talk about how to do this little exercise, fruit color dissection. Before we do that, I want to remind you that you should have your color match done by now. So, for example, this one, okay? And we are getting really good at color matching and not just looking at color and going, oh, it's blue, okay, and then just using your regular blue, but really seeing if it needs to get dulled down, seeing if it's a tint or a tone, checking your colors, and then of course writing our little recipes. So we did this first one. This should be done. And then next, the skin tone color match should also be done. And as one last exercise before we jump into our project, I just want us to remember color matching galore. Okay, so as my last little activity for you, so you got this sheet right here and you have a viewfinder, and then I'm providing you guys with this lovely fruit basket of all these different colored fruits. Okay, so what you can do is grab one and take your little viewfinder, okay, and look for a spot that you really like. Maybe you really like this section or something, or just don't do this. Just don't go, oh, I love that spot, because there's like nothing in there. Okay, so just fill the space. Maybe right there. That's a really cool spot on the kiwi. Clip it in place, and then just this is our first one. You're gonna draw what you see here, and then you're gonna use your color pencils and color match it according to what you see. So do that, and you do it 3 times. So you do your first one, and then you can move it to another section, be like, oh, that's beautiful, or that one, whatever. Okay, and then you do it again. If you're working on a fruit and you just hate this fruit, you realize, I did the first one, don't like it, I wish I had another fruit, that's fine. You can grab a different one, okay, and you put the first one back. And for the second one, you can grab a different fruit. If it makes you happy, that's fine too, okay? And basically, you look into your viewfinder, you focus on that, you draw it, and you color it. You color match every last little bit of that thing so that it actually looks real, because you will be color matching for your final project in here. So that's pretty much it. Good luck.